Why do we double stuff our balloons? Now, there are a number of different reasons. So if you're a balloon artist, leave your reason in the comments. But my specific reason is basically only when a client wants a specific color that I cannot achieve with a single balloon. For example, the client wants a nude balloon. Now, there's a lot of nude options that you can go for, but my favorite right now is white stuffed inside white sand. And then this is also a good option. This is chocolate inside of blush. So if I'm looking for a nude, I look at the type of nude that the client wants, and then I look for a combination that would suit the client's wishes. Another example is when you want a darker hue of a specific color. So this is navy blue stuffed inside Sempertex pastel matte blue. Also, single stuff colors can be quite see-through sometimes, so if you're really looking for that extra luxurious look, then double stuffing is always a great idea. So that is my main reason for double stuffing. Let me know in the comments what your reason is, and I hope that helps.